music on natuRadio.
We are natuRadio.
I am Fuzuki,
Andy, and I from natuRadio.
We are a student from Japan and came to work on a garbage problem of FSM.
How long have you been FSM? So today is the 13th day in FSM. We have been to a lot of places. We went so many places around the island in these 13 days and engaged with many people.
Where are your favorite places in FSM?
Definitely Ants Atoll. The beach was so beautiful and I have never seen such an amazing view.
The water is so nice. I was really impressed with that. And we were also able to swim with sharks.
With sharks? Wow!
Yeah, we wanted to go there since last year. The place was just like heaven. So cool.
I know. My mind became kind of beautiful. I envy people living in the FSM because they have such a cool places.
I also had you guys when sunset clothing. How was that?
That was great too. We watched a sunset and stars in the middle of ocean.
Yes, we also had music on and that made it even better. Where was your favorite place, Andy?
My favorite place was the elementary school.
Why elementary school? What did you do?
We went to the Net Elementary School and Omiya Elementary School and conducted environmental education.
Oh, that's nice. How was it?
The children in the school were so engaging and their smiles were shining. I prepared a lot for the environmental education, so I was so happy that everyone had fun.
Yes, I also love the smile of the people in Homepei.
How about you, Ai?
My favorite place in Homepei is Yoshiya Supermarket. I can see a lot of Japanese food there. I feel like there are many Japanese foods in Homepei.
Yes, I think so too. I am so happy that people in Pompeii enjoy Japanese food.
By the way, what's today's topic?
So today, we will talk about the garbage problem of FSM and the deposit system.
That's right. Although this island has very beautiful nature, I saw a lot of garbage around. So we will be talking about that and what we can do to protect this beautiful island. The whole island has beautiful nature and is pretty, but I found littering on the road, so it kinda let me down.
Yeah, it's just mottainai because the FSM has nice people and cool ocean.
What is mottainai?
So, mottainai is when you are wasting or ruining something valuable. In this case, although FSM has beautiful nature, island, and people, if there is a garbage around, that is wasting this island beauty.
Oh, okay. I want to keep this beautiful view in the future. I don't want anything mottainai.
Me neither, and that's why we want to work for this beautiful nature.
By the way, what's the garbage?
Like the stuff we don't need?
Yes, trash refers to waste material or things that are no longer wanted to or need. For example, packs wrapping food, plastic bottles.
And there are so many sort of garbage, and how to separate them differs between countries.
It can be divided into many categories in the case of Japan. For FSM, I think there are three main categories.
What are those categories?
The first one is the garbage that will be decomposed into soil, and the second one is the ones that will go to the dump site. These are the normal ones or the major ones, and the last one is the ones that should be recycled.
That sounds difficult and troublesome.
Those that can be decomposed refers to the ones that come from food. Banana peel is one example. It can be decomposed naturally. So, what is the recyclable trash? Do you have any ideas?
Like plastic, cans, and bottles?
Yes, that's right. Those trash can be recycled, so they should be thrown away separately from others.
Anything other than recyclable trash and decomposable ones will go to the dump site in this country.
Yes, that's also right. But what is the difference between cans and plastics?
Hard, aluminum containers of soda and other juices are cans, and plastic is plastic bottles and wrappings used in snacks.
There are a lot of types of garbage, but why is sorting that important?
That is because if you don't sort garbage, people can't dispose of it properly.
Is it true? How can we have to dispose properly?
Because the bad air releases and we have to live with so bad air.
And furthermore, if you take all of your garbage to the dump site will be full and you might not be able to use the dump site anymore. And that's why you need to recycle something that you can use again and again.
You've mentioned recycling several times, but what is recycling anyway?
A recycle is a process of converting waste materials into something that is reusable. For example, aluminum cans can be converted into new cans, or cars, or even into ships.
Wow, that is so interesting. So, what can we do with the recyclable trashes? Where do we take it?
So you can take it to the recycling center at the port. I learned about deposit system in FSM and I thought that's interesting.
Deposit system? I've never heard about that.
So if you take aluminum can to the recycle center in FSM, you can get money there.
They give you some money for refunding depending on the weight of your cans.
Really? That's cool.
Those cans gathered at the recycling center are exported to South Korea, and from the profits made by it, money will be returned to the people who brought the cans to the recycling center.
Yes, so the more you collect, the more profit you get, and what's more, the environment will be better too.
Oh, wow, that is so cool. I can be rich by recycling. Is the system open anytime?
No, it's only 3 times in 1 year. It's on every April, August, and December.
Yes, and in order to go and get the refund, you have to register first at the EPA office. After you do that, the EPA will announce who has actually registered and can go to the deposit system through radio and Facebook.
Oh, registering is kind of a lot of work, but it's so nice how you can get money while making the island beautiful.
Yeah, I know, right? But there is another important thing to keep this island beautiful, which is to reduce the amount of garbage you produce.
What do you mean by that?
For example, I see a lot of people taking plastic bags when you shop at the supermarket. But instead of doing that, you can take your own cloth bags there and use it over and over again.
Oh, yeah. By carrying cloth bag that I can use many times, I can reduce the amount of plastic bags that need to be thrown away.
That's right. You can also carry your own water bottles instead of buying it at the supermarket. That also contributes to reducing the garbage.
I've never thought about that. Anything else I can do for the environment?
Yes, you can simply pick up trash when you see it and take it to the trash can.
Although that is a very small thing to do, if everyone does that, the island will become cleaner and cleaner.
We went to the causeway in the morning because it was National Cleanup Day.
What is National Cleanup Day?
It is an event set up by the Department of Environment, Climate Change and Emergency Management, and it's on September 13th every year.
Oh, that was today. I couldn't go this year, but I will go next year and go cleanups with everyone.
Yes, if everyone cooperates and works together for the environment, we can make this island the most beautiful island in the world.
Yes!
So, it's time to say goodbye to the natuRadio show brought to you by natuRadio. Did you have fun, Andy?
Yes! I can believe this is our last radio and our trip is almost over.
Although we said this is the last radio, we might be sending natuRadio even after we go back to Japan.
I hope everyone enjoyed our radio and spread about us to your friends.
Also, We have a Facebook account in the name of natuRadio, so please check it out.
Thank you so much for listening to our radio.
Also, those who made us during our stay, thank you so much for all your kindness. We will be coming back to FSM next summer too, so I hope I can see you guys next year.
Kalangan!